Now we'll be seeing how to add a sidebar to your shop page so that you can filter out products based on different categories and criteria. So for that you need a plugin called WooCommerce product filter. It is made by a company called Themify. So this is the particular product that we are looking at. This plugin should be installed and then activated. And once you go to the product filters plugin, you have to create a new filter initially. So add new, click on add new to create a new product filter. So you can give it a title like shop filter, and then you can choose what layout you want, vertical or horizontal layout. We'll go with vertical layout. Then you can include whatever you want. You can add all the features you want into the particular product filter. You can set up products per page that can go up to 20. Now you should drag and drop what all you need. The first one will be category. Then inside category, you can give the field title as category only. Hit save. And similarly, you can add other features that you want from all these uh, items that are in there. So I'll add in stock. Then I'll add some features. Likewise, you select what all you need. So now I've taken 4 items and I'll click save. So you have to copy this particular shortcode and then go to appearance, and then in widgets, click on the sidebar, and in the text widget, in the description, paste the shortcode that we just copied and then hit save. So after it is saved, when you go to the products page and reload, you'll see that the categories are added or the filters are added to the side. So you can see that there are different filters like the categories and then the items that are in stock and the items that are on sale. So you can click on cutter and it'll show you that there are only 3 cutters available and it is shown there. Then spatula, when you click on spatula, both the categories will be shown. So this is how you add the product filters to the sidebar in your shop page.